In the on-site guarding review, a sales engineer makes a site visit to perform a collaborative machine guarding assessment. We are able to assess multiple aspects, including machine hazards, functional safety, stop time distance, machine acquisition, ergonomic safety, and more. Next is our custom design with turnkey solutions. Once the initial conceptual review is complete, our tenured and skilled engineers create 3D computer-aided design models and a scope of work summary, then deliverables to include a PowerPoint presentation and turnkey quote, with material, installation, integration, and optional upgrades. Upon your approval and purchase order, our team then verifies the designs on site.
PowerSafe Automation, engineering your safety.
Call today at 844-520-SAFE or visit our website at powersafeautomation.com.